All right, Misha, we are live.
Hi guys, this is Misha from Dr. Jason Emer Clinic in West Hollywood. So today we have our Veronica and we are going to do a customized facial with her with a mirror peel, uh, application from glycolic peel, and also mask and something that is really very good to her skin because we always like to do the best for all of our customers. Like she has a little bit of fine lines, a little bit of redness, a little bit uneven skin structures, what we like to make it so much better, a little bit of breakout, a little bit of discoloration, yeah, as you can see it here, a little bit of the structure is peeling here, as you can see. Well, those are some things that I really would like to make it better. As you can see here, the fine lines are also, of course, now it's winter time, it's cold. We have to boost our skin with facial and with skincare from Dr. Emer that you can find on emeragecosmetics.com. We have all the skin types for every person that we come and that we have it here. So today, as I say, we're gonna start. This is my choice. Those are my product for today. So I'm gonna use the product from the Md Skin. I'm gonna use the Beauty product for, and then the Restore Cell, the Glycolic Peel from the anti-age, and of course cleanser for the lip we have to take care, and of course we're gonna use the sunblock, very important, and of course the oxygen with the complex vitamins. So well, we're gonna start first with the citrus clean. It's a very, very good one because it's oil based. And I say to many people, we always have to start cleaning the skin with oil based products. So this is with the citrus, and how do you feel? How does
it smells so good.
it smells? Amazing,
Yeah, it's so
amazing.
smooth.
So as you can see, it is oil-based product. We want to take the oiliness from the skin. Also, it is an important when you take it at evening time, the makeup, you always have to take it with oil-based product. And yeah.
Hello, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Feel free to ask any questions, and we'll do our best to respond to them. I saw a comment earlier, someone watching from Brazil. So,
Hi, Brazil.
hello from Brazil.
Yeah.
Okay. Skin care is important for everybody. So we are doing our procedure here, Dr. Emer's clinic, but skincare at home is so important. It's so important. Wow, you see, this is already a very good application. I always say, don't save product, apply enough. Apply enough. You really need this. You already feel how her skin is going. The structure is already changing under the hand. Like you see, it's already, and I'm sure it feels better. How do you feel this?
Yeah, it feels
It
nice.
feels already so good. So the fine lines, we also want to work on the fine lines. So I always recommend to the people to start the skincare routine with oil-based cleanser. I recommend to the people to clean the skin, not in the shower, but while on the sink. This is very important because each product really needs time to make it working on the skin. If you just go to the shower, you apply it and then it's gone. When I recommend to the people, apply the oil-based cleanser, stay for 2 minutes. In these 2 minutes, you brush your teeth, and then in this time, the product is doing its work on your skin. It's the easier way to exfoliate the skin without doing anything aggressive. This is the very, very best anti-aging process also.
Now, Misha, I have a question for you. What is that vapor? What does that do to the skin?
Well, This one is really preparing the skin to take the dead cells. We start with preparing to take the dead cells, and so as you will see now, we are gonna do the warm towel, and this is gonna be, okay, here it is. This is like we have, let's say, 2 minutes. Okay, the warm towel again on the oil-based product. It feels first so good. The second, it helps very much to take the dead cells from the surface. So this is how we clean the skin and take the dead cells off. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So this is the first cleanser, and I always love to do a second cleanser on. So today I'm going to use our second cleanser. This will be from Dr. Emer. This is the foaming polish, which is botanical cleanser, and I really love this because the structure is very good. It's very easy to apply, and it's good for men and women, and it goes so easy. You see, you just apply.
So where can we find these products at?
You can find our products on EMERAGE.com.
And we deliver anywhere in the world, guys. So it doesn't
Yes.
matter where you are from, you
Yes.
can get these products.
You definitely can do also virtual consultation with us. For some people that they live outside of LA, we are doing a lot of virtual consultation. We do also people from all over the world, like all the consultation are virtual, and we also can teach you how to use those products.
That's cool.
This is so good because it is so important. You do the skincare at home. We teach you how to do it. We also use our peels. We have also RFI peel from Dr. Emer. This is the first medical grade peel, and it's really amazing. And this is the first peel with no downtime. And well, again, at emeragecosmetic.com you can find our products and book your consultation with us. Okay, this is going clean.
Do cleansers usually say they're oil-based, or do you have to look in the ingredients?
Well, oil-based cleansers are, like it says oil-based, so it is very good because, of course, you look at the ingredients,
Mm-hmm.
and it's very good for morning and evening. Yes, morning to take the oiliness that is produced from nighttime, evening to take the makeup and everything on the face. So as I say, she had already a better skin condition. As you can see, the fine lines, they're already so much better, so much better. You can see this is already so good. So what I'm gonna use the next, this is the Beauty from Nudistix, and I'm gonna use the microneedling. So I'm gonna slightly just go through the skin. You see,
So what does the microneedling do?
actually microneedling is supporting the skin to produce collagen. I always explain to the people, it's like just giving signals to the brain, because the brain thinks like, oh my God, it's so much damage, I have to start to produce collagen. And this is, I call this false alarm, because the brain doesn't know that I'm doing this. The brain just realizes, okay, something happened, I have to start to produce collagen. This is how we boost the collagen, you see? And this is good for fine lines, for size of the pores, for scars, yeah, also even for breakouts, but of course not really too much. When we have a breakouts like this, it's not really active. It is there, but it's not like acid acne. So you see, we just very gentle apply this, and you go very gentle to the eye.
Now, how does it feel?
It feels really nice. You know, it's funny. I have is this the beauty magnet?
Yes, it
It's
is.
magnet,
I have
yes.
the beauty magnet at home, and I think that the derma roller specifically for people is intimidating because you're like, oh, I don't know how to use that. But it's actually so simple and it doesn't hurt at all. Like I think when you look at it, you're like, oh, there's needles, but because they're like so small, it doesn't hurt at all. It feels kind of like a little massage.
Yes, the goal is not really, this is not a medical microneedling. Medical microneedling is totally different what Dr. Emer is providing here. But this is just, the goal of this is just to boost the collagen production. And the goal of this is to have a little bit of our next step. This will be the glycolic 20% acid peel, which will help to help with the fine lines, with boosting the skin condition. As you can already see, the pinky color, it means that the skin is already start working, preparing the collagen. So it is already working on the collagen. The glycolic acid is one of my favorite because it is actually based on canola sugar. It's very natural. It's also, many people now, they are vegan, with a vegan, they're going with very natural products. And people who want sometimes to do a vegan facial, this is a very good product. So I'm going to start with the application of the glycolic acid, very gentle. It's going to be a little bit slightly tingling. You can feel this, right? So apply. Of course, the eyes has to be you have to be careful on the area of the eyes. How do you feel the tingling?
Yeah, it's very like slight tingling. It doesn't hurt. It just like makes you feel like I just had an energy drink.
Good. So this is going to help also with the skin that was like peeling here. You see, it's already taken. It's not there anymore. This breakout that was there, and of course fine lines, the size of the pores. So all of this. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And of course, she's a little bit tired. She's doing a lot of photo shoot. We want her skin to be in the best condition. You see here a little bit breakout on the nose. The glycolic is very good also for blackheads, as the glycolic is still very gentle acid, but it's still acid. It's in the group of the acid, so it kills bacteria. Yes.
Hello, guys. Saying hi to the new people watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and we'll have Misha answer them. So
yes, it will be my pleasure all the time. So we let this for a couple of minutes, as this is a very gentle percentage. It's just 20%, but my goal is to really boost this skin condition. We want to have her skin really glowing. As you can see, what is the glycolic doing? Already the fine lines are almost disappearing at the time that I'm working on her. Look at her forehead. Look at the fine lines. Look at the fine lines here that there were. I already can see where they were, but they're always like going away. Like having the glycolic acid with a well-prepared skin for this, it's an amazing procedure, really a very good one.
now, guys, if you guys want more information about our appeals and our procedures, make sure to send us a DM with your full name, email, and phone number, and we'll reach out to you.
So the next step will be, after we let this for a few minutes, next step is to put the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an amazing booster. And as the glycolic acid is going, it's slowing down. Do you feel this already? It's slowing down. So glycolic acid, we can neutralize, but we also can keep it during the procedure. So this will be a very good, as I recommend to the people to keep it and not to shower for at least 24 hours. So I always say to the people, please don't shower, don't go working. So on the top you can put it the hyaluronic acid. How do you feel this?
Good, yeah. It's like just a neutralizer.
It is a very, very good one. And of course, hyaluronic acid is hydration, hydration. We produce hyaluronic acid in our system, but it's always good to boost with some extra. You already see the redness is calming down. See the fine lines are almost disappeared. They're not there anymore.
Yay.
Yeah, this peeling process that was here is like almost gone.
Now I have a question for you, Misha. So how often can you do a procedure like this?
Oh, you can do it every week.
Every week?
It's really good. Really, really, very good. I say to the people close to 2 weeks is a very good facial. I prefer to see the people every 2 weeks instead of 3 weeks, but I would say better 3 weeks than 4 weeks or longer, you know. I really like to work long term on your skin condition so that the skin is really, we want to get this skin tissue to stable balance, you see, so that's how we keep this skin condition, especially for people with thick skin tissue. We need more work and we have to keep this work, and this is how we're doing with regular facial. Somebody who has thin skin tissue, it's easily to get the skin in a good condition, but the result is going quicker. So you see, that's why we have to do it more often. So this is my next step. I'm going to use the vitamin complex, and as you can see, I'm gonna use this for my oxygen facial. Okay, I love this product. It's so amazing good. And of course we're gonna apply it oxygen, and then we're gonna do oxygen. So oxygen, you see, this is how her skin condition want to be. You see already the pinky color, you see how it's everywhere conditioned, boosting the collagen. The hyaluronic acid, the Hyalur B, that you can find on our website, emeragecosmetic.com. It's an amazing product for applying. Even you're doing at home with the very, very slight, like microneedling home procedure. You also can use the one from Dr. Emer. It's a good one because it has growing factor, and you can apply even growing factor, as I'm gonna apply a serum after that. But Dr. Emer microneedling is already with the growing factor in. So.
Well, guys, we have a lot of people joining in. Let us know where you guys are from. We always love to know where you guys are watching from. So comment below where you're watching. I know one of you guys were from Brazil. I saw another one from Florida. So
what is the oxygen doing? You already see, this is what I want to see. I want to see the skin working. This is what we see. Of course, she has a very light skin. So seeing redness, this is quite normal. The redness will go away, but the redness is showing that the skin is working. This is, I want action. I really want action. I want to see that the skin is working. That's how we know production of collagen is active.
we have a lot of people watching from Colombia, India,
Wow.
Jamaica, Cyprus, India, England, and New York City. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm from New York.
New York. Again, guys, so make sure if you have any questions about anything we're currently doing on camera or any other information about our procedures, make sure to send your name, your full name, and email and phone number through the DMs, and we will make sure you get your an appointments done and questions answered. Spain, hello from Spain and Uzbekistan.
Cool.
You're so good. Hello to everybody. We can come to your home even we are not close. We have this virtual consultation and we will help you. People with whatever, especially India. I know the people with this skin. I know how easy they get this pigmentation. I know how to treat this skin. So just make a consultation with me and I will help you. I know the issue with the under eyes pigmentation, darkness, will help you. So you already can see how the skin is slightly getting back to normal. See, this is already so much. When we finish the facial, the redness will be almost gone. But the most important is to have this improvement. I want to see collagen. You see the size of the pores is already getting better.
Saludos, Marcelo. También hablamos en español si tienen algunas preguntas. Si no entiendes en inglés, también podemos hablar en español. We have a shout out for Georgie. It's their birthday today, so happy birthday to Georgie.
Ooh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Okay, so the next product I'm going to use, this is the Oxy Vitamin C. So this is a very good product because first it's not water-based product, but it's very important. The second, it's a stable vitamin C. So you can have it at home and you will not see darkness in this serum. Okay, applying. I want to say to some people that they don't know how to apply products and they are always asking me which product I have to apply and give me the regime how to apply. I will say water-based product starts first. After that is going to the serum like a little bit with jelly structure, and after that is the creamy serum, the one that I'm gonna apply after that.
So we have a question. What is she doing? What is this procedure called, Misha?
This is actually a procedure that I customized for her because she's a special model and she needs her skin to glow. So what I did today, I did the oxygen with application, glycolic acid 20%, and we're gonna do the mirror peel after that with microcurrent to boost the muscles. We have to lift everything what we can do. So this is customized. The next thing what I'm gonna apply is from anti-age Md Serum, and this is very good because it is very important to put some stem cell and to have also the serum. As you can see, this is the creamy serum that I love.
Thank you so much, guys, for the hearts. We really appreciate it.
That feels nice.
So do you feel a little bit warm your skin? So this is normal.
Hola, Néstor. Cualquier pregunta, también hablamos en español, así que puedes poner tu respuesta en los comentarios.
So the skin, it's always very easy to work on the skin condition when the skin is like, you see, under the condition, like it's active. You see that this pinky color shows that it's busy, the skin is producing collagen. In this time, I really want to massage it very well as everything is going, of course, up. You see already, you see, the breakout is already gone.
Wow.
It's not there anymore. Glycolic is doing so amazing.
It's amazing.
Yes, it's not there anymore. It's finished. No more breakout. It's gone.
So just like that, guys, no breakouts.
Woo!
Yeah, you can see it. We are live. So I'm just doing for a few minutes and breakout is gone. We help a lot of people with acne, a lot of scars, a lot of pigmentation. We have different procedure. And of course, as I say, it's very important, skincare. Everything what we show now here, you can find on EMERAGEcosmetic.com. And if you don't know how to do it, book consultation, come here, talk to me. I will help you all what you have as a issue with your skin. Doesn't matter what it is, doesn't matter your skin type, doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter whatever your question have, we'll help you. Okay.
Remember, guys, you can reach us through the DMs by sending your full name, email, and phone number if you have any questions. If you want to book an appointment, if you want help with any, if you want help to decide which products you should buy at our website, we're more than happy to assist you with that.
Okay, so what you can see is also a little bit peeling because of this what the glycolic acid is doing. and of course we apply the product, so the glycolic acid is doing its job, and the products are going from the surface to the skin tissue, and we take those dead cells away.
So how are we feeling right now?
I feel amazing. My skin's like a little bit warm, but it feels like it feels really nice and like tight. I love like skincare stuff in general, but I feel like especially in the last couple years with, you know, the mask mandates and having to wear masks, I usually don't get breakouts. So I take care of my skin. I try to, and I think even with the masks, like that's kind of why I came in with a breakout, because it's just like so suffocating sometimes.
I believe they're calling it maskne now,
Mask knee.
right?
Yeah, because like your face is covered for so long and your skin's not breathing, so it's like even more important to make sure that you have like a good skincare routine and are getting facials. And if you, and I think she's right, a lot of people don't know how to use products, so it's really good to talk to a professional and like get a consultation so you can learn the order of things, because that took me a while to learn, but I think once you get it down, it's really, really helpful.
Now, what's our next step, Misha?
The next step is we're gonna put the Caviar jelly mask for hydration to calm down the skin contouring. So this is the next step. The jelly mask is one of our favorite. Works so good. Okay, jelly mask is calming down the skin, hydration. It's like
So we have a comment. They said she's speaking facts.
That's what I do.
you can follow on her Instagram. What is your Instagram?
It's at Veronica Dash. Veronica with a K.
Yes, you can follow her. You can see her beautiful pictures. You can see her beautiful skin. And yeah, we go from the best here. So what I'm gonna do, I also like to put a little bit of the mask on the lip, because lips are also very dry now. And with this winter condition, we just need to put a little bit also special care for our lip.
So we have a question. So what are the sheets for?
Well, you're gonna see this. You're gonna see this. This is the jelly mask, and it smells so good. I have to apply the jelly mask on her face, and the jelly mask is liquid. So I just want to keep her. It's gonna be very easy to take it after that. You have to make it.
So now, what are the benefits for Caviar jelly mask?
Caviar jelly mask is contouring, and it's also hydration, calming down the skin. It's like works also in general on the skin condition to hydrate and to make your skin glowing. It is not easy to apply by yourself, as you can see this. That's why it's good if you come to us. I'll do it with pleasure. We have different jelly masks. We have Egyptian rose, we have with hyaluronic acid, and yeah, we have different, for whatever facial we do, we have different masks, and they're so good, as you can see. That's why you need this, because we're gonna, otherwise.
Someone's saying they love my voice. Thank you very much.
How do you feel the jelly mask on your skin?
Feels so nice. Like it's like cooling and hydrating.
Exactly.
And it smells good.
This is what we need. We need, after the glycolic, we need to calm down the skin. The very good thing is to do the procedure, but very important is that we let people going out from here with no redness or very minimum redness on the face, because nobody likes to go with red skin out. It happens with many times, like we do different procedure, but especially for facial, I like the people to go like glowing and feeling really, to see already the result. I can feel her skin is really warm. What is good? This is the collagen. Okay. We also will apply on the eyelid and also on the eye. It's going so good. How do you feel on your eyelid? This is very safe.
So nice.
But of course, as I say, it's not easy to do it by yourself.
Yeah, that'd be hard to do with my eyes closed.
Believe me, even me, I tried, does not succeed. I give it up with this. Okay, so also her lip. I want her lip to be well hydrated. She's doing, as I said, she's doing a lot of photo shoots, so her skin is in general, like her lips are also very important for pictures.
Oh, well, they're also saying your voice is very relaxing, Misha.
Oh, thank you. You have to feel how the facials are. Yeah, thank you so much.
We have another comment saying, why do I feel relaxed like I'm getting the facial too?
That's so good. Yes. Yes. We most of the time when I do facial, we put this relaxing music on, and the lights are a little bit more soft because of the facial. You relax very well, but with filming, we need a little bit more lights on. So. Okay, so this is going very gentle also on the nose, so no blackheads. Everything is gonna be away. There are already blackheads are small bacteria that they are already like gone because of the glycolic acid. Glycolic acid, it kills the bacteria and does not give much chance really to survive on the surface. So as I say, this is the best gentle to exfoliate your skin without doing any aggressive. So some people really like to go aggressive with the skin, some people don't. So this is a way with the facial, with, like I say, you can do this facial every week. Yeah.
And guys, we do everything in between, from facials to laser treatments as well. So there's pretty much a procedure for everyone.
Absolutely. We also have to say here to mention that we are preparing also the skin with a lot of peels. Dr. Emer is one who is doing great procedure with laser, and we prepare the skin with I love Cosmolan very much. So Cosmolan is one of the very best skin for pigmentation and also preparing for the skin before laser procedure. So how do you feel this here?
So nice.
On your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I will not let you talk. So this is all safe. It's just please don't open your eyes. It's so good here, like having this. Please don't open.
Hello, Nick. Yes, we're going in the same spot because this requires a thick layer. So that's why
Yeah.
Misha is going,
Yeah,
making
this
sure
is-
every little spot is covered. So
Yes, so this is already done. So you see, this will stay for a few minutes, and at the same time, because I'm gonna go to the next step. The next step will be microcurrent. So this is-
hello, Akira. She says, I need that mask and the man's number. So you can definitely book a consultation with us. Remember, you can say, you can send over your full name, your email, and your phone number. You can either book a consultation virtually, or if you're nearby, you can also, come in and get a procedure done.
Just come, just come.
So what are we doing now here, Misha?
So we are doing a little bit of our ventilator because I want to dry. I want really this mask to be very well prepared for the next step. The next step will be microcurrent, and for this I need a little bit to have really the jelly mask ready for the next step. So that's why. At the same time, this is feeling so good. I can see already how the redness is slightly going away. So fine lines, I can see it already from here. Fine lines are already disappearing. They're not there anymore. So this is facial that can give you at least 5 years younger, at least. So you can see things are going good. No blackheads, no breakouts anymore, no fine lines anymore, and this is just in a few minutes work here.
There you go. There you go, guys. Look, 5 years younger in 5 minutes with Misha.
Yes. So good. So you see, this is, so at the time, so this will be awesome. This. So the next procedure is gonna be, okay, I need a little bit more time to, okay, for the time that is we're gonna wait, I'm gonna show you something what we use also for the face, but now I'm gonna use it for, this is the cupping. Now I'm gonna use it for curved chest. So this is Mirror Peel. Mirror Peel is one of my favorite facials because it has 3 facials in one, and then it has the cupping, and then it has the microcurrent. So this is what we do. See, we are stimulating. This is also very good to stimulate the skin and preparing the skin. As I'm a European esthetician, I want to work not only on the face, but I work on the chest and on the neck. So this is a very good for people. She does not have any fine lines here, but I can see a little bit starting. So that's why we prepare the skin, and it's very easy to work after that. You see the cupping? So this also we can do on the face. Everything is how to boost the muscle under the skin and everything for the face I'm talking about. For the neck and for the chest is the skin condition in general. You can feel this, how this is stimulating. We can do also lymphatic drainage with this for people that really need. It is very supportive.
So we have a question. What's the material on her face? So that is a caviar jelly mask, correct, Misha?
Caviar jelly mask, yes. Okay, let me see. This is how I love this cupping for the face and neck and chest. Let me see. I'm just waiting to see. Okay, it is almost like ready. You see, this is the condition I want to have before I start with my microcurrent. You see, it's almost ready. So microcurrent is actually boosting it gives like I can say like a small shock to the muscles. So when it gives the small shock to the muscles, the skin is moving. And when we go in the direction up, the skin is like lifting. So we're gonna do this now, microcurrent here, and again, this is Mirror Peel. Okay, so we're gonna go. You can feel a little bit tingling. This will be a normal. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
So this is how, with some people, you even can see the skin is moving. So this is what we're gonna do now. See? We actually give a small shock to the muscles so that the muscles actually are activating and we are moving the skin. We are lifting actually the skin. We can also do a very good eyelid and also ear brow. For example, if you can see here, you can lift it. Do you feel this?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So it works. If I do this for a couple of minutes and I work on the one side, and then you see already her skin, you can see this you see this is how we actually give these small shocks to the muscles.
We have a question. Does it hurt?
Mm-mm.
No,
Mm-mm.
no, it does not hurt. Let's say you're doing like a gym for your skin.
Mm-hmm.
It does not hurt. It's just a very, very good. Okay. And then quickly on the other side. You don't have to do this really very long. Just a few minutes in one session is good enough. The most important is to do a regular facial. This is what makes your skin glowing.
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. We're going to be signing off so she can have a relaxing time for the ending of her procedure. So, thank you guys so much. Like we mentioned, if you guys want to have more, if you guys have any questions or would like any more information, make sure to send us your full name, email, and phone number through the DMs. You want to say goodbye, Misha?
Yes, I want to say goodbye, and I want to say, look at her skin before we finish. Look at her skin. No fine lines, no breakouts. It's just a little bit the healing process from the breakouts. No peels anymore. The skin is not peeling anymore. You see how it's almost gone, but this will be gone till tomorrow because the skin is working for another 24 hours. You see? So after that, we're gonna apply our product from Dr. Emer. Again, the hyaluronic acid, the vitamin C, the stem cell from anti-age, and then anti-age MD, and then of course our favorite product with Refit for the face and for the eye, because it's a lot of peptides that we need to boost the skin, and of course not to forget the sunblock. I will also recommend for some people, it's the Restore 24 karat is also a very good one. And why this is very good for evening skincare routine, because it keeps the hydration and it makes your skin really glowing. So this will be one of the skincare routine for her for home. So see you soon, guys. Book
Bye.
appointment.
She's amazing.